I've been doing aerial yoga for 5 years now. I came with my stepmom for her birthday just for a bit of fun, and then I just didn't stop coming. I was hoping to get a bit more flexible, which I have, I think, but mostly the thing that surprised me was that I've got a lot stronger, and particularly upper body strength. It's quite useful because of you're lifting a lot of your own body weight a lot of the time.
I've had back problems since I was a teenager, and I've tried various exercise, and I've usually had to give it up because my back just can't take it. And I wanted to do something that would actually strengthen my back. I found aerial yoga and I thought that sounds interesting, something different. So I've been doing this 10 months. Haven't had any really bad episodes for the last year. I think my back is, it's definitely improved. The people that don't normally like exercise, I've said give this a go because you will enjoy it, and it is different and it's fun, and every lesson you come away laughing and feeling lifted.
Every time I walk away, I feel like I'm bouncing. Everything's loose, everything's relaxed. And I walk away feeling like I'm floating. I was sleeping really badly before, and I do find I'm sleeping better now. And I find that the night after a session, I definitely sleep better. Flexibility. My knees were a bit stiff initially, and now I'm finding them a lot better. Shoulders and posture. I'm actually finding my posture's better, and I do think that's all because of aerial yoga.
I'd been doing normal yoga for a while, and I always liked it, but I'm quite inflexible. I've seen the aerials side of things and thought I'd give it a try, and I really think it helps my flexibility a lot more. It's definitely relaxing, definitely challenging because it stretches you, and obviously going upside down is always fun. Doing a handstand, because I can't do it normally without the sling. I like all the moves actually. It's a really good experience. I find it just really stretches and challenges me, and I found that it stretches me in a way that I found traditional yoga doesn't. And that's kind of really, really nice.
I've always liked doing back bends here because they're partially supported and inversions. Being able to be in postures that would take many, many years of, having a feeling of what it's like to move into really quite advanced yoga postures can be quite stimulating, quite exciting, but can also be very soothing, very calming. It relieves stress both ways. The kind of stress that makes you feel bored and turgid, you feel invigorated, and if you feel stressed that you're too wired, you can become calm.
It makes me feel like a weight's lifted. So when I come out of class, my body feels lighter, my brain feels like uncluttered of all the junk that's inside it, and I feel like just calm, relaxed. Like I can just be. My flexibility, the strength in my arms and my legs. It's really satisfying to just go into a handstand quite easily. It pushes me a lot further. And also the back bends definitely improved all of that, and I can see when I go to my dance class I can nearly touch my toes again now, which I haven't been able to do for a long time. It's dynamic, you can relax, you can have fun and get the benefits of yoga without having the pressure, because you're loving your body by doing it.
I've just had a really good experience. Every lesson's been great fun. I feel I've got a lot out of it. Met some lovely people.
The important thing for me about these classes has been the intimacy. You get to know your instructor, he gets to know you, and you both, you sort of get into sync, and it's just that real personal feeling. It's just so good.
Just being in the swing and being rocked, and the very, very simple joint-free exercises. So I think it's very beneficial. This has actually really, really helped me in my regular yoga practice. If you don't do yoga at all, do it, it's great. If you do yoga, this is a brilliant training partner.
I'd say give it a go, definitely.
I think if you're a personality that just wants to give something a go, we'll just do it.
Do aerial yoga, it's awesome.
I just like being upside down, I like hanging upside down. Well, I had 2 tumours on my spine when I was little, so I've had 2 major back surgeries, so this is really nice.
It's kind of fun when you're getting into the different moves, especially when you go upside down.
I always come away feeling really, really good. I'd say euphoric and healthy.
Invigorating, challenging, nurturing.
Relaxing, amazing, wonderful.
Relaxing, playful, and restorative.
The world's a long way round for me. I'm finding my place here upside down.